Being the new kid is hard. I can think of better things to ask than if I'm a boy or girl.
Hey, you're a boy or girl?
What a question.
I get asked why I always have my nose in a book. Books are my life.
I get asked why I'm so small.
I rather get asked what big words I can spell. I get asked where I come from. Here! I come from here.
I don't know why we are always asked if we're identical twins.
I was asked why I don't have any friends. Then this boy said, I'm their friend, and now he is.
Asking me why I wear the same shirt all the time isn't logical. I mean, just look. It's an exceptional shirt.
Why would anyone ask me why my sister was born different? Everyone's different. Ask me what I can do, not what I can't. I am a kid. Hear me roar!
Ask me my new dog's name?
Pumpkin pie!
Ask me if you want to try my lunch. Cabbage, kimchi, rice rolls, shrimp pancakes, dumplings, tofu soup. I love to share. I wish you would ask me about my grandmother's house. I was so happy there. You know, there's one question we all like. Hey kid, do you want to play? A kid is a kid is a kid.